because it's going to be dark. The MiG-17 taking off, and there's the burner. Jason is type rated in 17 different aircraft, including the super grade Spitfire, the B-51 Mustang, and he loves flying his Gulfstream G650 for corporate reasons. But when he wants to have some fun, he likes to light up the night sky.
Shoot you right down off of your feet. How.
The MiG-17, a Russian fighter jet that was developed in the 1950s, is successor to the MiG-15. MiG-17F coming in from your left, ladies and gentlemen. Top speed 680 miles per hour, level flight over 710 with the afterburner, and he climbed at 30,000 feet in only 3 minutes. Still impressive today. Jason's airplane, the F model, the F indicating that it was a VK-1F engine with an afterburner. And this particular aircraft built in Poland in 1959. Every second of this, I wish you could see his face, because he'd be smiling from ear to ear. And we're helping him see the runways. We've got the runway lights turned up super bright. He knows exactly where the airport is and positions things, puts it right on the numbers, as we say, and he likes to dial it up too. And when you're burning that much afterburner, he's got an eye on the fuel gauge as well. California doing the fly, coming again from your right. Look at that. In a Cessna 150 at the age of 12 with supervision. As a teenager, he started flying in a Pitts S2B because he wanted to do aerobatics, progressed to getting a multi-engine commercial license. He raced at Reno, he's done it all. Jason was born in the San Fernando Valley, currently lives in Camarillo, California. Get ready. Get ready. Burner is on. Faster. 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 Much more to come later tonight. maybe you can see it. Vietnam veterans, put your hands in the air. How about the rest of us? Welcome them home and give them a round of applause. Welcome home. Well, from magic carpet rides to a moon dance, ladies and gentlemen. At our last series of maneuvers, 15 minutes or so.
Well, it's a marvelous night for a moon.
We have hundreds of people.
In your blush, can I just have one more moon dance with you, my love? Can I just... Well, I wanna make love to you there, and then all my dreams will come true, dear. There and then I will make you my own. Anytime I touch you, you just tremble. You want me left, you can't hide. Can I just have one more moon dance with you, my love?
Oh, that would have been awesome, right? Gonna Jason back on the ground here. He's reaching up for some altitude, and then he's gonna settle down and land here in front of us.